What's the meaning of boyish? Boyish. Boyish.
Boyish. Boyish. The term boyish generally refers to a person or behavior that is characteristic of a young boy, or is reminiscent of boyhood. This can manifest in a number of ways. For example, a person with a boyish appearance may have a youthful and energetic demeanor, while a behavior that is considered boyish might be playful or mischievous. Typically, the term carries connotations of innocence, energy, and sometimes immaturity, but can also be seen as endearing or charming. Overall, being called boyish implies a certain youthful quality that may be seen as positive or negative depending on the context.